all been there. You're having the time of your life at a festive party, eating, dancing, taking selfies, and then you look in the mirror and you see your glam base is completely melting. Don't worry, I'm here and I will show you how you can go from this to this. A flawless, sweat-proof glow that survives all the madness. Festivals are fun, but let's be honest, humid weather and heavy lights can destroy your makeup. This is my tried and tested sweat-proof, transfer-proof base routine. Okay, step number 1 is skincare prep. Now, I always say this and I believe in it with all my heart. Good makeup starts with skin prep. If your base isn't right, nothing will sit properly. So the first step is cleansing, and for that I'm using the Face Shop's Rice Water Bright Cleanser. It's so gentle, but it makes my skin feel instantly refreshed. You can already see how my skin looks super refreshed, like it's saying I am ready for all the next steps. So once this is done, I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. Hydration is key even in humid weather. No points for guessing, I'm going in with the Clinique Moisture Surge. Now I honestly love this. It's super lightweight, but it gives the skin that plump, bouncy feel. I'm applying this all over my face, and you will see once we move on to the makeup application steps, you will see how beautifully the makeup just glides on so smoothly. One little tip for my oily skin girlies: never skip out on moisturizer thinking it'll make your skin more oily. Dry skin actually pushes foundation off faster. This little thing has been my OG for the last 4 years. I cannot get enough of this. Anytime this finishes, I'm literally on to my next bottle. I love this so much. Next up, we're going in with primer. I'm using the Embryolisse moisturizer. Now you might be thinking she just used a moisturizer. So it's more like a moisturizer plus primer, and I'm applying this all over my face so that my base glides on effortlessly and it looks smooth all day. Girlies, take note, this gives just the right amount of hydration and that subtle, healthy glow. You can even see this on camera. My skin is not looking greasy, but it's glowing and it's looking healthy. I've literally seen so many makeup artists talk about this non-stop. No wonder this is a French pharmacy cult favorite and makeup artists swear by it. Okay, now we're moving on to foundation. For foundation, my good old trusted Maybelline Fit Me never fails. This is literally something I can rely on all the time. It's affordable, it's lightweight, and it keeps you matte. Just a little bit is enough. Okay, hack alert: mix your foundation with a few spritzes of setting spray before applying. It literally locks the formula for hours. Remember when I said you just need a little, it goes a long way? This is exactly what I meant. Now you can do this with a beauty blender or you can do this with a brush, whatever works for you. I personally like to do it with a brush. Look how stunning this looks. Wow. Next up, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now whatever concealer is remaining on the brush, I just like to take it gently over my eyelids just so that they're nicely coated as well. This gives that flawless airbrushed finish while still feeling super lightweight. This concealer is perfect for long festive nights. The next step is what I like to call lock it in. Once your foundation and concealer are done, it's time to seal the deal. I use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder to set the base. We're going to use this shade. It's called Pound Cake today. So we have the loose powder right over here, and I'm using a brush just to gently dust it over the skin. This sets, brightens, and it gives an airbrushed finish. Small little hack: dusting it on your skin and not swiping it makes all the difference. Dust, dust, dust. By the way, you guys, I have literally seen this go viral online. Now you know why. I'm not going to move on to the next step without another hack. Instead of piling on powder every time you feel oily, simply use blotting paper. Dab, dab, and you're fresh again without caking up your makeup. Now the ultimate test. I'm taking a tissue and just dabbing to show you whether or not it transfers. Do you see that? There is no transfer. That's when you know your base is going to survive the food, the selfies, and the bhangra moves. Time for a little festive glow up. For blush, I love the SheGlam Color Bloom Liquid Blush in Rose Ritual. and just a tiny one on my nose. This gives such a natural flushed look, and it looks good in real life and in photos. The trick is, if you want a lot of pigment to show, don't blend as much. But if you just want something nice and subtle, blend, blend, blend. For brows, I like keeping it simple with Benefit's Gimme Brow. A light stroke along the shape instantly lifts and frames the face. Now for a little sparkle, I'm just going into the Romance Better Than palette just to glam my lids up a little. All of these shades are perfect for the festive season. To glam up my lids, I'm going in with this shade called Glory Ivory right here. You can use an eyeshadow brush or you can just use your fingers. Because it's just one shade, I'm using my finger. I also feel like a lot of the times glitter shadows turn up perfectly using your fingers because you get a lot of product and you can dab it very well. Wow, I love the shade. Okay, mascara is non-negotiable. The Too Faced Better Than Sex gives you that lifted voluminous effect without smudging, even if you're sweaty. This is legit my favorite mascara ever. And finally, lips. A festive party needs something long-lasting. I'm using Fenty Beauty's Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored. This is probably the only red shade that I like on myself. It's transfer proof and I promise you this will stay put no matter how many laddus you eat. This is such a stunning shade, not just for festivities but even for your everyday looks. Then comes the holy grail, the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray. This blends all the products together so nothing looks patchy and it seals your base for long wear. And there you have it, the routine that takes you from a melted mess to a glow that lasts all night long. Dancing, eating, selfies, tested and survived. Try this routine for your next festive night out and tell me, did your makeup survive? All products are linked on Tira. Oh, and make sure you subscribe for more hacks that actually work. Bye!